Hello, welcome to Digitalsoftecs. In this session, we are going to introduce with a topic that called comments. So we have continued the tutorials for Python development. So Python tutorial include the important topic called comments. So comments are written in any programming languages. So when we writing our code in Java, we can write comments. So that is a program independable. So that is why we write comments in our code. So usually a lot of developer ignore this thing that we have no need of comments, just you wasting our time. So why we write comments in our code? So as you can see on the screen, there is a code, but you cannot understand that what is the code about, what is the functionality of this code, what is the objectives of this code. So that is why comments explain the code to others, that what is the functionality, what are the advantages of this code. So that is why a lot of people ignore this stuff that's called comments. So usually we write our code and we just gives the functionality and it will generate a function advantages of code that we can explain to other that this is the advantage of this code. So you can just write your comments and you just show your code to others and people can easily readable and easily understandable. So that is why it is the skill of professional programmer that he write comments in his code. So the comments explain the code. As you on the screen, as you can see on the screen, there is a code, but there is no way no other people or other programmers or professional programmers can just read the whole code and he will see, oh, this is the generate account id, what is about this account, checksum, generate card number, create account. So what is this? So to make it simple, we write comments in our code. So this is a program for bank management system. So I have written this program and this code has been written in Python development. So there are two types of comments used in Python. Number one is the single line comments and the second one is the multi-line comments. So this is called the single line comments I have written to print the account details, so the people will understand, oh, this just generate and explain and display the account details. So this piece of code generate the pin. So there is a code missing, the comments are missing, generate the card number. So the comments are not right properly. That is why you cannot understand this code. So that is why when in the coming tutorial we will explain and we will create these projects. So we will write our code in efficient way and we will write comments. So this is single line comment. Forget about to understand about these codes, it will later on explain. So there's a single line comment, so this is to print account details. So it is just explaining the piece of or the line of code. So what about the multi-line comment? So in Python there is a way that you can write a code, that is the quotations we can write. So I can write, this is the opening quotations and this is the closing quotation. So that is why it will be not print by the Python. So this is code for bank management system. Okay, so the people will easily, so with the help of this code you can generate or create account, create account. You can generate the ATM card number. You can generate the PIN code for the ATM or ATM card or whatever it is. So as we compare with the previous code, there's no comments. So I have written these comments. So when somebody open this program, so you will see, oh, this is code for bank management system. With the help of this code we can create account, generate ATM card number, generate pin code for the ATM card, generate the account or create the account details, and talking about the security and a lot of stuff, a lot of functionality gives us by the bank management system. So that is why comments are really important, and I hope that you will understand about the importance of code, the importance of comments, sorry, and how the comments help us to explain the code. So when somebody open this project bank management system, he will see, oh, these are the functionality of this code, these are the ways to improve. You can write a lot of instruction to improve your code, and a lot of things as you can tell to developer to update their system, and a lot of functionality can be added to the system. So this is the importance of code, and I hope that you will understand. If you feeling any difficulty, write it in our comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.